Yes, welcome. Good morning and welcome to Studio 40. In the previous video, I'll show you how to install Dynamic Island on any Android phone. Okay, any Samsung phone. As you can see, this is Dynamic Spot application. You need to install to have Dynamic Island, and I will show you how it look like. It look like that. And right now I want just to install Dynamic Island on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with Android 12 ROM. As you can see, this is Android 12 ROM, Noble ROM, and it's working. Now I have downloaded Dynamic Island application. The link in the description. You can go in the description to download, and you can also go on the Play Store to download this application and install that, just like that. Okay, installation process started. Good, great, nice. Now let's open Dynamic. Okay, good. This is how it look like. Okay, next. Okay, cool. Now need to enable everything here. Okay, looking for Dynamic Spot. Enable. Number one. Okay, cool. Hello. Now you need to looking for face application. Where are you? Okay, it's here. Dynamic Spot. Okay. Hello, everything. Okay, now everything is done. Beautiful. As you can see, now you are ready to go. Now click on done, and let's see if it's working. Open. As you can see, it disappeared. This is significant that you need to download directly in your Play Store. Dynamic Spot. Dynamic. What is this? Okay. Dynamic Island Dynamic Spot. Okay. Install this first. I download this directly from your Play Store, just like that. Okay, install. Okay, if you want to download and you can see this application on Play Store, first of all, install this application from the link under this video. Download this APK and install this application, and after install and install again directly here when you see this here. Now click on open this and do the same thing, configuration. Okay, good. I think that is the better version for the device. Okay, hello. Next. Dynamic Spot. Hello, everything. Okay, and now it's good. Click on done and let's verify. Click here and okay, now you can access to every application here, and this is a good news. Okay, application. Good. This is here you can select application about which you want to see notification. Okay, you can select which application can activate the pop. Now let's looking for what I want clock. I want also messages. I want the same thing for music. Okay, music and YouTube. Not bad. Battery. When I charge my phone, I want to see this also. Okay, great. Nice. There are more possibilities for you. As you can see the appear here. Just like that in front of you. You see what I'm talking about. When old have all of this message, you can read. This is how it looks like. Pop settings, dimensions. You can resize, change its position, everything here like that. Look at. We do this, change its position. You can change the size and select what you want here. Okay. Cool. Okay, now you can see how it look like here. And go back. Have more functions. What you can do, what not bad. Okay, and more features, more settings for you. Okay, cool. This is how to install the brand new dynamic island directly on your beautiful Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Can you see this, my friend? And it's working. It's working, definitely. Yes, the vibration also. It's working. Now let's go for the test. Okay, let's go for the test. Close everything and let's looking for music. Let's looking for music. Okay, can you see this? This dynamic island appear right now. They're definitely in front of you. Even YouTube, everything. Let me do something quickly. Okay, now you can see it's appear right now. Okay, as you can see, music. You can see here. You can hold this dynamic island like that to access to your music application. Let's open again. Beautiful Samsung music. You can also to play music. Can you see this? Even when you play music, it's still here. Let's see on notification. Okay, I can see. And it's here also. Dynamic island is here for your Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Beautiful. When I hold, I have this. This is what I'm talking about. Hold. Beautiful. And it is appear. When you hold, you can do what you want. Play, pause, go, everything. Change everything. But I feel that it's very, very fast. And it disappear. Can you see this? Wow, not bad. You can see dynamic island application. Servers. Dynamic spot servers is here. Is always enabled when always open. You need to to don't you need to don't close this application, because you need this for what you want. Can you see this? Open. Next, music. Can you see this? Nice. Listen. Can you see this? This is I don't know if it's useful or something. Let's go click on pause. Okay, dynamic island is here. Go on load screen. When you open this, no dynamic island here. Open and disappear again. Lock screen. Unlock and disappear again. Not bad for me. Not bad. I don't know if you like this, but it's not bad. Even when you go on your menu, you move, it's still here in this corner. This is curious. Definitely. What do you think? You like it? Music? Play music? Nice. Okay. And great. Can you see this? This is dynamic, and now you will see your notifications appear directly here. You can just hold this and read your notifications here. This is cool. Not bad. Not bad. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for 7 seconds. I don't know if I can increase the speed. You have dimension, you have net routine, everything. But I like to use with speed. Okay, you can see after this time 10 seconds, let's increase by something that like for 20 seconds to see. Okay, let's see. Music here. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at that. Can you see this, my friend? Okay, now you have dynamic Iceland. Dynamic Iceland is now here in front of you, my friend. Can you see this? This is cool. Say to me what you think about this. Is it useful for your device? Say to me everything, and like, subscribe, and share this video, because this is amazing. God bless you. You can also support our channel with my PayPal link in the description, or YouTube super things. Under this video you can see things you can make donation to support our channel. Okay, thank you.